Zookeepers have rounded up dozens of escaped animals all over the park. But they can't catch the last 3 monkeys. Harry? Whoa, Big Slappy, you're causing lots of trouble. You'd sure be a big help, Miss Marvel.
Already here, right next to you. And Megan!
Whoa, that superpower sure is handy.
Ready to catch those mischievous monkeys?
I think we just found one.
Where'd he go? Hey!
They're ruining the playground. I already washed my suit this morning.
Sorry, but that was funny.
Hey! You were saying?
Let's round them up, partner.
You go towards them while I sneak up behind.
Watch out!
That truck's out of control. I'll swing in to slow it down.
And I'll keep it from crashing into anything. And Megan! These little monkeys are almost as hard to catch as supervillains.
Only things that make him happy.
We must stop him.
Go, Webs, go!
Rhino, right through! Out of my way!
Look out! Ah!
Hurry, Better put on the brakes, Rhino.
Never!